Thank you. Did they tell you something funny? Where's Lexi? Where's Lexi? There's Lexi. There goes Lexi. Lexi needed to go outside. We all needed it. Here's your leaf back. Thank you. It smells funny. Taking after mommy. Taking after mommy. There she is. Little mommy. Little imitators. Right? Who's cute around here? Who's cute around here? Hmm? Okay, so wave bye-bye. Say bye, Leah. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.